Hello and welcome to a quick video tutorial on scaling images. First of all, what is scaling an image? Scaling an image is changing the resolution of an image. So in this case here I have a photo which is straight out of the camera. It has a resolution of 4752 by 3168 and it is just slightly under 8 megabytes in size. So one of the things we can do is we can scale that image and reduce its resolution, and that has an effect of also reducing its file size. And you think, well, why would we want to do that? Sometimes you may wish to reduce the file size for a number of different reasons. For example, you might want to send an image to someone in an email, and there's a limit on the size of the file that can be sent as an attachment within an email. Or alternatively, you may wish to submit a photo for a competition, and there's a limit on the file size and the resolution of that image that can be used in a competition. So there's a number of reasons why you would want to do it. You do lose detail within the image when you resize, but sometimes that is not really going to be an issue if, for example, it's going to be projected. Let's say, for example, we're projecting the image at a resolution of 1024 by 768. That means that we could safely reduce the dimensions of the photograph down to 1024 by 768, or slightly greater than that if we wish, but no less than that, and we would not lose any quality. So basically that's what scaling is. So how do we do it? Okay, in Windows we can do it quite simply by opening the photograph or the image in Microsoft Paint. This is the absolute simplest way to do it. So if we right click on the photo and we get the edit option, and that will open it in Paint for us. We have this option here of resize. Click on resize. We can see here that there's a couple of different options here. What we want to do is make sure the maintain aspect ratio remains ticked, and here we can change the resolution by percent or pixels. When I say pixels, because we know what we want our resolution to be. We want it to be 1024 pixels wide. Because our aspect ratio has been locked, it automatically calculates the vertical for us, so we'll leave that alone. So okay, and now the image has been scaled. If I save that file, I'll save that picture, I'll do a save as, so I'm going to save it as a different file, not over top of the original. Save the image, and I'm just going to call it the same name with an A on the end. Save, and that's it. So now if we go back and look, we've got now two files. You can see the first one is just under 8 megabytes in size, and the second one is only 353k in size, so drastically reduced in file size. And you can see the dimensions down here, and that's it. Thanks for your time.